Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel as at Fireblade 400 Airsoft as I review a budget gun. Please subscribe and hit like down below. So, and it's here, the Lancer Tactical 19BL-gen2. This is the budget gun from Shogun. So if you want a gun but don't want to spend too much money, Shogun have your back. It costs in around from starting 100 till 150 euro. So guys, check them out. Let's open the box and let's see what's inside. Okay, in the box there is a Allen key, so you can adjust your extra rail, and of course the manual. And in the manual there's a sticker. If you're gonna be a Lancer lover, you can add the stickers. Go. And what's in the box? Okay, in the box it have a high cap metal magazine. It comes with a charger, a smart charger. So I'm using this now for because I own one of those Lancer. I own 3 of them now. I'm using them now for the 3 months in a row. So, and I'm going like often to airsoft field. I just want to run with it because I don't know how long it will last for these things, so I'm testing them out. The battery is here. It comes with a magic wand, and of course a spring. Now, this spring gives you more FPS. So what's in the gun is the low FPS version. So you want the gun to shoot hotter than it shoots now, use this spring so you can be hot. So, and of course the gun itself. Let's take away the box and let's talk about the gun. The gun is a fully polymer construction. So from this key mud rail, upper rail, upper receiver and lower receiver, buffer tube, and the stock. And this behind here is rubberized, so it feels for the good comfort for your shoulder. I like it. And it comes with this additional rail in front. Flip up sides, also polymer. And let's see what is metal. The charging handle is metal. The mag release is metal. The outer barrel is metal, and the flash hider is metal. And what else? And the sling point, dual sling point here is also metal. And inside the gun, everything is metal. So the gearbox is very well built, and it comes with a 6.3 millimeter inner barrel for a budget gun. Come on, a budget gun. So how good is that? So you get a precise barrel, inner barrel, in a budget gun. So it doesn't come with a MOSFET, so guys, you can run a 11.1 with it, but it can wear the gearbox very quick. So it will eventually die. The gearbox cannot hold too much of full automatic. It cannot hold the full automatic, but it can hold the single fire. So if you're planning to use 11.1, it's on you. But the gun comes with a 9.6 volt battery, non-jack. So guys, the gun is a very basic gun. The fire selector you can only find on this side, on the left side from the gun, but clicks very well for a budget gun. So, and I'm running it now for 3 months, and still I throw it on the ground, I hit a wall with it, and it's still working perfectly. So guys, before I go further with the gun, I will show you what kind of lens or tactical you can have. So Mr. Come here. So that's Aaron, my cameraman. This one is a it calls the LT-04B Bravo Gen 2. Costs in the around 130. And if you don't want this long gun, I have another one. It is a LT-01 Bravo, where you can have this stock here, this carrying handle here, and the battery will go on the front. I did already a review from this gun, so check the link down below and see if you like maybe this gun. And another one as well. This is the LT-15TL. Like so, it comes with a mock suppressor, but if I take the mock suppressor out, it will reveal the inner barrel. So there you go, that's the inner barrel. So I don't know if you like that one, but for the look of the gun, I like it. So guys, so if you want to run kind of this one, so gonna be full here, and of course the last one. This one is the LT-12 Gen2. So if you don't like the suppressor version, then you can have this one. Also comes with a 12 o'clock, 12, 9, 6 and 3 o'clock rails, and of course the stock. All of those replicas comes with a rubberized backpack thing, I think, as it calls. So this rubberized for all other guns is rubberized, and only the commander version doesn't come with it, so because this is different stock. But if you like a CQB gun, a very short one, you can have it here. And that's it. So let's try the gun. Let's insert the battery for this gun, and let's try the gun now. So before that, before we insert the battery, always wear eye protection, because we don't know, maybe there's a BB inside. So safety first. So how to insert the battery? So every AEG, take out the base plate from the stock, this plastic out, then it will reveal the small Tamiya connector. And let's try the battery inside from the box. So let's see if there's juice in this battery. So let's point it in the safe direction. No. There's no juice inside the battery. That's why I have a backup one. This is the also a 9.6 battery. Feels good. Not bad. So, okay. Should I show you mine? How my Lancer looks right now? It is my LT-19 Bravo from Lancer Tactical. I make it shorter. I just took a Commando outer barrel and stuck it in this one, and look how it looks. Sexy or not? Comment down below if you like my gun. So there you go, it's my gun. So now let's go to the chrono test and shoot the gun. So see you there. Bye. It is 0.3 BBs and 9.6 battery. So guys, it is the shooting test with 0.3 BBs and the 9.6 volt batteries. It is hub pop not unadjusted. So we didn't adjust the hub. See. Shoot nice. I am now aiming very higher at the target. So there we go. And Lancer said if I wind it all the way the magazine, I can empty it. Let's see. Okay, that's it. Let's try it. So, there you go. Let's go back to the table. And we are back. So, guys, I did something else as usual. So, I have it here, the grouping. I was aiming at this, so because I did not adjust the hub, so I aim from here, but the grouping is very decent from the gun. So, and I wind all the way the magazine and shoot it full automatic and empty. My conclusion for the gun, because I run with the gun, the same gun like this, I really like it. It's not that heavy, not that bulky on the hand grip here, front grip here on the key mods. So it feels okay. So if you want this Lancer Tactical, guys, check the link down below. I will insert all other Lancer here, all for the budget guns from 400 to 150. And if you make your own gun like this, it doesn't cost that much, guys. I built this almost from scratch because but the gearbox, the motor, and all the stoves and the inner barrel is from Lancer, but around it I just took from mother gun. So guys, if you want to see more of this video, comment down below, and see you the next time. See you guys.